So I ordered tracks for my skid steer, and they said 3 days. It's been how long, Dan? How long has it been?
3 hours.
3 hours. 3 hours from Track Hut.
Are you kidding me?
Track Hut had 3 hours, free delivery. Had them. They were $3,000, but for $3,000. And the dude that when he got them here, he's like, "Oh, I don't have a Tommy gate or anything. I don't have these things weigh a shit ton." When I'm like, yeah. I got my own forklift. Don't worry about that. We'll unload them, no problem. And so I was out running service, got back, and we unloaded them, and dude's got a flat tire.
Are you kidding me?
So I'm like, hey, no problem. I got an air compressor. So we aired up his tire, and I said, hey, no problem. There's a discount tire right at 2 intersections away. You can go there. They'll give you a new valve stem for free. It's fine. So he's like, that's a great delivery. I'm like, no problem, man. He loves it. He loves it. He's not very good at it, but he sure does like it. How big are your balls? Alright, do we need to pull the truck forward? Kidding me? What? Goddamn thing's out of gas.
Oh, shit.
He's still pussy aching about it. That shouldn't catch fire. The Mini X for the win. Imagine doing this by hand, trying to pump grease by hand.
Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
Every one of those rings is like one pump. That didn't take as much grease as I thought. I thought it was going to take a full tube flood. It didn't. All right, go forward now. Hey, look at there. It goes around and around. The other way. You're happy? I'm happy.
Thank you, God.
Victory! We are triumphant. So, a little over an hour. 3 dudes, a Mini X, a Sawzall, a floor jack, some more gasoline for the Mini X, about 3/4 of a tube of grease, but we got a skid steer again, man, and $3,000. So.
Are you kidding me?
And the brand new track is working fine. Kubota's under its own power again. Whoop, 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 whoop. Nice. Hooray. So, we got the track back on this skid steer, and we got the lawnmower blade back on now, so it's going round and round. So we have the brush cutter back again. Hooray! Everything out here is working now today. So just gotta mow the yard now without breaking anything, and I think we'll be set. We just put everything back together. Now, hopefully everything's going our way. Hopefully we're set. Ugh, let's not start any more projects, please. These are killing me.